Okay, guys, let's get straight to this review. Not a poet, the poet who failed to pay Lobola. Do you all still remember that poet paid Lobola that is worth 1,000 and some change? Not him cheating, not him cheating, okay? Well, technically, he doesn't want to cheat, but I don't know, okay? I feel like he's being too pushy, and I feel like as a married man, he was supposed to set some boundaries, okay? But he did not, okay? Him and Ubuyi right here, this is so inappropriate. Like, it's so inappropriate and so shameful. Shame on you, poet. Shame on you. How dare you? Like, poet, say, how dare you come or you do this to our girl, Toriso? Like, how dare you, okay? And also, one thing that got me is the phone call that Poet had with Ubuyi, where Bui was like, the client love you, and I love you too. And I'm just like, ma'am, you love what? What are you saying? Isn't he a married man? That's a married man that you're talking to. Like, don't you dare address a married man like that. Like, you don't address a married man like that. Not ever. You just don't address a married man like that. But I love you too, okay? So Toriso, my girl, find out on Instagram that these selfies were being taken. Tell me why a poet posted these selfies. Tell me why, because I need to know why, okay? Toriso went crazy, okay? And she has every valid reason to. She had every valid reason to. I mean, who would be happy? Who wouldn't be going mad at their men after finding out that these are the selfies that are being taken online, apparently? Who wouldn't go crazy? I would. Listen, I will lose my medulla. My medulla will be out. You know, that's how I would behave as well. So I'm like, okay, I totally understand where Toriso comes from. But guess who keeps on saying that, no, I am busy. It's not what it looks like. It's exactly what it looks like. These are inappropriate selfies. A married man should not be posting them. Period. No excuse and no justification. No excuse and no justifications. But no, Teresa, you're overreacting. No, this is exactly what it looks like. It looks bad. And it should never have been posted and should have never been even online in the first place. Like, I'm so mad, okay? I'm so mad. I don't want anyone to hate our Teresa. She is such a loving girl. Such a beautiful, such a lover. But anyway, one thing that's got me is Matoriso. Is it Matoriso or Matoriso saying that Poet and Toriso needs or have to resolve their own problems on their own. They need no interference from the outside world, you know, because they were arguing and they were screaming and yelling at each other so loudly that everybody in the house could hear them. And later on, Poet discussed how, you know, linyalo lithata sana. He then comes out, you know, to talk about how difficult marriage is and how difficult things have been for him in the marriage. You know, things have not been easy for him, and you know, it does not seem like him and Toriso are just getting in a place where they get to understand each other or where they get to communicate effectively. He's just like, I'm so worried. We are not communicating. We are not good communicators right now, and we are not communicating effectively. And I'm like, I don't know. But then Toriso just says, no, it's not that bad. You guys will get there. You guys will definitely get there, because I know many married couples who have been, you know, at each other's throats. You guys, like, it's not that bad and it's not that deep. Definitely, your issues will be fixed and they will be resolved. You just need to have a little bit of faith, and faith can take you far in life, you know. Just a little bit of faith can take you, like you can cross miles of rivers with just faith, okay? And that's all that you need right now, is just to have a little bit of faith and just believe in yourself that, you know what, we got this. We got this. We can do this. This is nothing. This is doable. This has been done before, and we too can do it. So I'm like, okay, Matoriso, I hear you.
Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm back yet again reviewing one of your Mzansi favorites soapies, and in this video we are reviewing Scandal e.tv. Yey wekazini ave ezalelwe yinja endlini nkosi yami uMahlomo, ngaze ngazwelana noMahlobo nkosi yami isono. So yeah guys, uMother in Love kaMahlomo made it clear ukuthi nje yena angeke ehlali nje engayisupport ingane yakhe uNhloso ephethwe phela yizinkanuko. So yeah guys, what surprises me here ukuthi uMother in Love kaMahlomo uyeza lana uzobuza uMahlobo ukuthi kahle kahle kuhamba kanjani phakathi kwakhe benendodana yakhe phela uNhloso. uMahlomo uyasho ke lana ukuthi hayi no kuyahamba khona akufani. Useyabuza ngilana ukuthi kodwa yona inkonzo yasekamereni isabanjwa nje. Hayi-ke uMahlomo uyasho ukuthi no inkonzo yasekamereni okwamanje kusathiwe nje pause, you know. uMother in Love uyachaza ngelokho ukuthi no akuyona nje into enhle ukupauza phela noma ukumisa inkonzo yasekamereni, ngoba inkonzo yasekamereni iyona esikhathini esiningi evamise ukusondeza abantu noma ukwenza abantu bezizwe phela besondelene. Mangabe ke isifakiwe futhi kupause akube kusaba yinto enhle. Ayike uMahlomo ngelana uyasho ukuthi no yena nje akanayo inkinga nencane le inkinga nokuthi phela inkonzo yasekamereni ifakwe kupause. Uyasho ngelana uMahlomo ukuthi noma isingamiswa unomphele. Ayike bandla uMother in Love wabe nje uselahlekelwe, you know, she lost her mind and she then said lalela la wentombazane Mahlomo wena umamkhulu wala ekhaya, futhi ngoba umamkhulu wala ekhaya nje usuzoba nomnakweni awufuni phela ukuthi uNhloso ehambe eyohlala kamnakwenu engabe nje esabuya la ekhaya. Ayike uMahlomo yasho ukuthi kanti khulekayo wema anginayo nje mina inkinga ngisho nencane, noma ngathiwa uNhloso uyahamba uyohlala kamnakwethu akasabuyi nje kuzobe vele kusayifanele. And uyasho ke lana uMahlomo ukuthi kusiza ngani ukugxila enkonzweni yasekamereni, ngoba nangalesikhathi besagxilile kakhulu enkonzweni kwasekamereni lokho akukaze kumenze umyeni wakhe ukuthi ethembeke kuyena, so kusazifanela. And uMother in Love uyasho ke lana ukuthi no yena mhlawumbe insuku zakhe zokuthi ethuthe ebuyele ngasekhaya seziya ngokufika, so therefore uMahlomo lo kuzomela kube uyena uzofundisa umnakwabo ukuthi izinto la ekhaya zenziwa kanjani. Wavuka nje libomvu uMahlomo ethubani yena, mina ngifundisa umnakwethu ukuthi izinto la ekhaya ngifile ngoba nje into engasoze ngayenza leyo, sobe ngakwazi mina ukufundisa umnakwethu ukuthi izinto zala ekhaya zenziwa kanjani. Uyasho lana ukuthi yena nje mangabe kukhona umuntu ayoke emfundise ukuthi ini kuyobe kuwumfazi ke kaThuthuka, futhi yena ngoba nalapho kuyobe kumphoqa. Hayi-ke kuthe kusenjalo wangena uLuntuzana. Guys, ngisacela ukunibuza lana ukuthi ngokwenu ukubona ngabe nibone ngathi uMother in Love ufe yini nkosi yami, noma uMother in Love nkosi yami usecacisile phela ukuthi no if she has to choose a side she will definitely choose her son's side, which in a way ngiyamblame uMother in Love, in a way I can blame ekugcineni kosuku uNhloso iyona ndodana yakhe yange impela. So-ke gayizini-ke uNhloso-ke lana futhi uyakhuluma-ke noMadlomo. uNhloso gayizini, hhayi ngeke shame. Akhona yini ngempela amadoda afana noNhloso? Yey ngiyazi phela mina into enjeni. uNhloso kahle uyasigila. So-ke uNhloso-ke lana ubhizi-ke uphansi phezulu, uyafuna uyacinga umatasatasa, ucinga-ke phela yona incwadi yamalobolo. Ubuza ngisho uMadlomo isibindi sikaNhloso sokubusa uMadlomo ukuthi uyayazi yini ukuthi incwadi yamalobolo ikuphi. Hayi bo wenhloso, khuzeka wenhloso, unqandeka kuse-eli futhi. uMadlomo-ke lana uyasho ukuthi hey lalela-ke Nhloso, angiyazi nje mina incwadi yakhe yamalobolo, and uyasho-ke lana ukuthi no, ngisacela sikhulume. uNhloso uyamdismissa ukuthi no, sizobuye sikhulume, kodwa okwamanje ngisafuna incwadi yamalobolo so that sizohamba siyoyenza umshado wethu ukuthi ube right, ube legally mina noZinhle, so that mina nawe sizophinde sishade futhi. uMadlomo uyasho-ke lana ukuthi kahle kahle iyona nto engifuna ukukhuluma ngawe leyo. Mina ngifisa wazi ukuthi angifuni ukuphinde ngishade nawe noma ukuphinde ngivuselele umshado wethu phakathi kwami nawe. Ngihappy nje ngokuthi umshado wethu usuhlezi ku-divorce. uNhloso uyasho-ke lana ukuthi hayi bo, ukhuluma ngani manje Mahlobo? Engani sasikhulumile vele nasekuqaleni ukuthi sizolontuza, sizohlukanisa so that ngizokwazi ukushada uDinhle. So as soon as I'm done ngendaba kaDinhle sizohamba siyovuselela umshado wethu. uMadlomo vele asilalela wenhloso, wena wakhuluma mina ngamamela. Mina nje into esengifisa ukuthi uyazi njengamanje ukuthi mina ngikhathele ngitikiwe finish, okay, ukuthi ngibe umfazi wakho. Ukuba umfazi wakho nje sekuyanginyanyisa, angisakuthandi. Ngithi yes wena Madlomo, stand your ground wena Madlomo. Like I've been rooting for uMadlomo to stand her ground. I've been team Madlomo all the way. Ngithi yes wena Madlomo, I am all in support for you. What you are actually doing, I'm in support. Okay, be you, okay? And it appears lana ukuthi uNhloso Nkosi yami cares a little nge-opinion kaMadlomo, nanokuthi uMadlomo uzizwa kanjani ey'ntweni ey'ningi. Kodwa-ke gayizini akusena ndaba Nkosi yami, like honestly, like for me angisenayo indaba engako, as long as uMadlomo is now standing her ground, as long as uMadlomo, she's now this person who's just like lalela wenhloso, sengikhathele like sengi-right wena, ndidikiwe, ndi-sharp, ndi-finish nje. I just wish for you to understand ukuthi you have taken so much from me, and since you have taken so much from me, I am honestly tired and have no desire to continue being your wife, okay? Ngifuna ukuthi isehlukaniso sibe khona, sibe nje right and present, okay? Meanwhile, on the other side, Dinhle, she's trying so hard to explain to her kids so that they would understand ukuthi kahle kahle what is polygamy. It seems like Dinhle's kids don't understand what is polygamy and all that. And Dinhle also is trying to justify it as much as she can. Which, no, polygamy is not as bad as you think. Polygamy is actually a good thing. It brings families together. It avoids divorce, this and that. Well, we all know, of course, Dinhle will be in support and favor of polygamy, because right now uyena uzoba umamncane, okay? But if tables were turned, Dinhle was actually in Madlomo's shoes, she was gonna be crying, okay? She was gonna be crying, and she was never gonna understand ukuthi ngobani kuzoze kuthiwa kuba ne-polygamy, ngoba kwenze njani polygamy, ngoba kwenze njani, But ke gayizini, because uzoba umamncane, I mean, it's all roses right now. uthi nje no it's Thembu yona into right, it avoids black families breaking up this and that. Okay, so guys, please while sisakhuluma ngoMadlomo, can you all tell me, like, let's just predict, okay? What do you all think? Do you think ukuthi uMadlomo lona do you think ukuthi uMadlomo she will actually not go uzohlala uMadlomo until or accepts uZinhle njengoba mncane, because uMadlomo usehlalile Nkosi yami, wayeshilo ukuthi nje yena angeke sekwazi, but at the end of the day, she just have people who influences her, and she end up just accepting ukuthi it is what it is, what choice do I have, this is my man. Do you think this time around uMadlomo is standing on business? Madlomo is standing on business and she's just like lalela, andifuna kwazi ukuthi ini akuyona ini, like I don't even wanna know at this point, like it's none of my business. I don't wanna know. Nje mina into engiyaziyo for sure ukuthi ngizothatha imithwalo yami off, gone. Do you all think uMadlomo, like, she have it in her to just be like lalela, this is me gone right now, this is me going? Like, I would love for uMadlomo to leave uNhloso. Honestly, I feel like uNhloso just deserves uDinhle wakhe, and uMadlomo deserve ukuthi ayikhulisele ingane zakhe in peace. And uNhloso at some point uyasho lana ukuthi no, if that's the case, then it's fine. He will not argue with his wife uMadlomo, rather he will make sure ukuthi uMadlomo umnikeza ispace bese yena eyayihambela eyayela and then he will go to live with uDinhle. Yes, Sana. I don't know, is this the end of Madlomo and Nhloso's marriage? It has been long coming, honestly. This marriage should end. Meanwhile, we have uThalita. Why is Thalita having so many secrets? Like, what? Why? Okay, I don't know. Somehow, someway, uThalita have a child that is not hers, or rather, is it hers? I don't know. But somehow, Thalita have a child that is not hers and has been raising it with her husband, and somehow uBridget find out, and now uBridget is threatening uThalita. At some point, uThalita was even considering working with Mthunzi. Guys, like, this is not like Thalita. Like, Thalita, my ma'am, who have you been? Okay, so uThalita is now working with Mthunzi, and they're now like conspiring how to get rid of Bridget, because Bridget has been sniffing, okay? And as soon as Bridget finds this information, she's gonna take the information to her husband, and that's the last thing she wants, okay? It seems like Thalita, she is on the mission of protecting herself and protecting her secret, And I'm like, Thalita babe, like, make it make sense, okay? Make it make sense at this point. Why do you have so much secrets? But anyway, I love the fact that Thalita agreed to eliminate uBridget, but she couldn't bring herself to it, She then calls uBridget in panic, in panic mode, to say, hey, Bridgie, where are you? And wants Bridget to run away from the location, because that's the location that she had set up that Bridget will be eliminated in. And luckily, guys, Bridget is fine. Bridget was not harmed by Mthunzi. And at this point, uThalita really does not have a choice but to, kind of disclose her secrets to Bridget. And it does not look like Bridget is as willing, to keep a secret for uThalita, which I'm like, okay, but Bridget, bro, Why are you poking your nose into other people's business? Like, your nose does not belong. Your nose does not belong, and your nose is inside within other people's business, and this is not cute at all, you know. But yeah, it does seem like as soon as Utalita Bridget finds out, because Bridget is very much close with Uteps, it does appear as if the first thing that she will do, she will just go and indulge everything with Uteps. Lale like Uteps, oh, your mother have scandals in her bag, and this and this and this and this and this is what I found out about your mother. Guys, do you think that Talita at this point should have just been like, it's his fate, let it be, whatever that was meant to happen to Bridget will happen, and it's none of my business. Let fate play its role. Do you think Talita was supposed to approach this whole thing with that mindset? At this point, I do. At this point, I do, and I don't care if it makes me a bad person, because Talita, babe, mind your own business. Like, for real, mind your own business. Mind your own business, Talita. Like, for real. At this point, it's like, for real, mind your own business. Yo, Talita, guys, like, we young stressor.